Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about field retro kit valve for Bakers Pride Part M1558X. The field retro kit valve for Bakers Pride Part M1558X is a replacement part for Bakers Pride ovens. It is designed to replace the existing valve in the oven and provide a more efficient and reliable operation. The kit includes a new valve, gasket, screws, and instructions for installation. The valve is made of stainless steel and has an adjustable pressure setting to ensure proper gas flow. It also features an easy-to-read pressure gauge that allows the user to monitor the gas pressure in the oven. This valve is designed to provide years of reliable SE. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement valve for a Bakers Pride oven. It can fix issues such as poor heat control, inconsistent temperatures, and poor flame control. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the oven. 2. Remove the old valve by unscrewing it from the gas line. 3. Install the new valve by screwing it into place and making sure it is securely tightened. 4. Connect the gas line to the new valve and make sure it is securely tightened as well. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks at all connections using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. If any leaks are found, tighten all connections until they stop leaking. 6. Test the new valve by turning on each burner individually, and you can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.